Guangdong Jiexing Electrical Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise located in Foshan, Guangdong Province. We specialize in the research, development, and manufacturing of HMIs, PLCs, motion controllers, AI vision systems industry, customized microcontrollers, advanced brushless drives, variable frequency drives, permanent magnet synchronous motors, and comprehensive servo systems. Guangdong Jiexing Electrical Technology Company Limited has a strong manufacturing capacity. The factory covers an area of 21,666.46 square meters. There are 213 employees, among whom 15 are R&D engineers and 12 have a bachelor's degree. Our advanced production equipment includes ultra-quiet terminal machines, fully automatic winding machines, chip programming systems, motor comprehensive testers, and hot air circulation drying systems. We give priority to quality assurance. We have 8 dedicated QA or QC inspectors and adhere to strict testing protocols. We offer a range of customized services, including design, logo packaging, and sizing. Our flexible production process enables us to launch new products quickly and effectively. With 16 years of export experience, we have achieved remarkable sales and exports worldwide, serving markets such as North America, Europe, and Asia. Our annual production capacity ensures that we meet the diverse needs of different customers, backed by a comprehensive 12-month warranty and excellent after-sales support. We hold certifications such as CE and ROSE, which attest to our commitment to quality and safety standards. We are highly adept at providing our partners with automated integration solutions, enabling our clients to expedite the completion of large-scale projects that are not easy to grow through our assistance. Ensure the smooth completion of the project. Win-win cooperation has been achieved.